I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight, I can't kill this feeling.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. During these pandemic times, one of the most unhealthy habits which we have developed in the past 1 year is the amount of sitting which we have been doing. Whether you're working from home, people hardly going outside, attending too many online meetings and back-to-back calls, the lack of movement has been a major part of our lives in the past 1 year. As a result of this, too many people are having body aches and pains as a static lifestyle is very unnatural for the body, as our body is designed to move. So in this video, I have come up with few stretches which will not only help you to get rid of all those body aches and pains, but it will also open up your all the tight major muscles, starting all the way from the neck to the glutes and the hamstring as well. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Let's start with the first stretch. So guys, the first stretch we are going to do is targets the one of the most major muscle group of the body. It's the hip flexor and also our lats. So hip flexor is a muscle. If you sit for longer duration, it gets tight. It can affect the posture as well. You're standing, you're walking, and also if you squat, this is a major muscle to be used. So what we are going to do is we are going to go deeper in this stretch, but initially we'll start with the beginner version. We come in the lunge position. Make sure the leg is more than 90 degrees. All you have to do is keep your hands on your front thigh. Imagine both your hips are sinking towards the ground. Your spine is straight, you're looking straight. So for some of you, this stretch might be enough. You'll feel a good stretch in the hip flexor, especially of the back leg. If you want to go deeper into the stretch, all you can do is grab your back ankle and using the strength of your arm, pull the heel towards your hip. The more flexible you are, the closer it will go to the hip. Your goal should be to touch the heel on the hip if possible. Otherwise, just stay wherever you can. Some of you might also feel discomfort in the knee. What you can do is you can put a towel or fold the mat just to give a cushion to the knee. Another stretch, a variation which you can do in this stretch is you come in the lunge position, you're doing a hip flexor stretch. You lift your left hand up and try to go deep towards the right side. See, my bicep is touching my ear, my arm is straight. So in this stretch, not only I'm feeling a stretch in the hip flexor, but also throughout my side. Try to hold for at least 45 seconds to 1 minute, and then we repeat the same sequence on the other side. Now let's go to the other stretch. So friends, the next stretch we are going to do is a very important stretch again. It targets our glute muscles, the hip muscles, which again gets tight because we sit for too long. So I'll show you how it's done. We lie down on a mat. It's a very simple stretch, basic stretch. All you have to do is lift your right leg off the ground, grab your shin, and using the strength of your arm, try to bring the leg as close as you can to the chest. The closer your leg comes to your chest, the more stretch you will feel it in the right hip. All you have to do is hold for 45 seconds to 1 minute, and then you change the leg. Try to breathe normally as you can. Try not to tense your shoulders too much. Try to stay as relaxed in this stretch, and make sure you're not over pushing the leg so that it does not pull the muscle. Just breathe, and then all you have to do is change the leg. Let's go on to the next stretch. So this stretch is one of my favorite stretches. Not only it helps you to improve the posture, but it also helps you to open up all those tight shoulders and chest, which get stiff when we sit on laptop or text for too long. So how we do this stretch? We lie down on your back. It's a variation of a cobra stretch, which we normally do in yoga. All you have to do is lift your upper body, make sure both the feet are together. There can be a slight gap, but make sure the stance is not too wide. Grab, interlock your fingers. Try to make sure the elbows are as straight as it can, and then inhale and lift your body up. Constantly look towards the sky and make sure the shoulders are relaxed. Breathe, try not to hold the breath, and hold for at least 45 seconds to 1 minute in this stretch. Now you slowly come down. Easier version of the stretch is you can just keep the hands straight and lift your upper body and try to hold as long as you can. Make sure you do not lift the shoulders too high and the shoulder blades are pinching together, your scapula, so that it helps you to open up all these tight muscles of the body. Now let's go on to the next stretch. So friends, the next stretch we are going to do will exclusively target our hamstring. All you need is a bench or a chair or any elevated place at home. You can do the stretch anywhere. All you have to do, you keep your front leg on the bench. Make sure you pull your toes slightly towards your body. What it does is it always also targets the calves, especially the hamstring. The biggest mistake which people do in this stretch is they want to reach too much forward without actually working on the technique. So the right technique for this stretch is make sure the chest is sinking towards the knee. You're having an anterior pelvic tilt of the hip, which means your hip is going back and simultaneously your chest is going forward. For some of you, this stretch might be enough. You'll feel a good stretch in the hamstring. If you want to further deepen this stretch, try to just grab your toe, keep one hand on top of the other, and start using the strength of your toe and pull it towards your thigh. So I'm feeling a very, very good stretch, not just in the hamstring, but also in the calf. These are very important muscles which get stiff when we sit for longer duration. A flexible hamstring and calf is also safe for the lower back. Let's move on to the next stretch. So guys, this is one of the most underrated stretches in my opinion. Humans have been hanging since the dawn of the mankind. This is a complete stretch which helps you improve your shoulder mobility, relaxes your thoracic and lumbar spine, which is under stress throughout the day of too much of sitting. It also helps you develop your core and arm strength if done on a regular basis. All you have to do is make sure the palms are facing straight and your head should be slightly back so that your spine is under alignment when you hang. Most of the people, the mistake they do is their head is too much forward. It puts unnecessary stress on your neck. You hold for as long as you can. Start with 15 seconds and you can take all the way to 60 to 90 seconds if you want to maximize the result. Try to stay as much relaxed as you can in this position, and this stretch can be done anywhere, wherever you find a space, a place to hang, or also you can get a pull-up bar at home and try to hang there. So guys, these were my top stretches which are going to be very effective during these times if done on a consistent basis. The good thing about these stretches are that they can be done anywhere and they are very simple to do. Another side effect of these stretches are that when we open up these major muscles, it also helps you to reduce the stress levels which are at an all-time high during these times. So I hope you all will incorporate these stretches in your daily routine and also try to move as much as you can throughout your day. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with many more videos on various fitness topics. I hope you all will have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye.